हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे L&T इन्फोटेक Q2 रिजल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। ओके, सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं L&T इन्फोटेक Q2 रिजल्ट के बारे में। ओके, लेट्स मूव। L&T Infotech Q2 net profit up 23% to rupees 680 crore. Son of size. Okay, New Delhi IT company Larsen and TOUBRO NSE minus 1.45%. Larsen and TOUBRO Infotech on Saturday posted an about 23% increase in its consolidated net profit at rupees 679.8 crore for the quarter ended September 2022. Okay. The company had registered a net profit of rupees 551.7 crore in the same period a year ago. The consolidated revenue from operations of Larsen and TOUBRO Infotech (LTI) grew by 28.39% to rupees 4,836.7 crore during the reported quarter from rupees 3,767 crore in the year ago period. Okay. We remain excited about the proactive conversations we are having with our customers and see increased traction in the cloud and analytics space. Okay. The strength of our pipeline and our sustained net headcount additions will continue to fuel our growth, LTI President, Sales and Executive Board Member Sudhir Chaturvedi said in a statement. Okay. The company is in the process of amalgamating Mindtree NSE minus 1.65% with itself, which was approved by its shareholders and unsecured creditors on August 10. Okay, LTI in its filing shares that the National Company Law Tribunal Mumbai bench approved the merger on September 19, while NCLT Bangalore has reserved its order on the same. The merger will get completed after LTI submits certified copies of both the NCLT bench's order before the Register of Companies. Okay, we are happy to be on the last leg of the approval process for the LTI. Okay, Larsen and TOUBRO Infotech Mindtree merger and are most likely to combine forces by the end of this calendar year. The merged company will bring together complementary portfolios and a large customer base, creating extraordinary value for all stakeholders, LTI Chief Operating Officer and Executive Board Member Nachiket Deshpande said. In an all-share deal, L&T Infotech has offered 73 shares for every 100 shares of Mindtree. Okay, then I repeat, in an all-share deal, L&T Infotech has offered 73 shares for every 100 shares of Mindtree. The merger is expected to create an IT services provider, LTI Mindtree, with combined revenue of over $3.5 billion. Okay. I repeat, the merger is expected to create an IT services provider, LTI Mindtree, with combined revenue of over $3.5 billion. Okay. $3.5 billion. In an all-share deal, L&T Infotech has offered 73 shares for every 100 shares of Mindtree. Okay. Okay, so guys, L&T Infotech Q2 net profit up 23% to rupees 680 crore. So guys, Larsen and TOUBRO Infotech and Mindtree Industries. Mindtree, they merge, and about 23% increase in its consolidated net profit rupees 679.8 crore for the quarter ended September 2022. Okay. Okay. The merged company will bring together complementary portfolios and the large customer base, creating extraordinary value for the stakeholders in LTI Chief Operating Officer नचिकेत देशपांडे. ओके ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.